Elsa and Anna noticed the northern lights flickering strangely over Arendelle. The once steady and beautiful lights now seemed to pulse with an ominous energy, causing concern among the kingdom's residents. Elsa felt a deep connection to the lights, sensing that something was wrong. Elsa called for a royal meeting, where the people of Arendelle expressed their worries. The elders spoke of an ancient legend tied to the northern lights, hinting that their disturbance could signal the awakening of a powerful force. Elsa and Anna decided to investigate the cause of this disturbance. Anna suggested they search the ancient library for clues. Deep within the castle, they discovered a hidden section filled with old, dusty books. They found a mysterious tome that spoke of a forgotten land far to the north, where the heart of the northern lights was said to reside. The sisters prepared for their journey, with Kristoff and Olaf by their side. They set off on a grand adventure towards the unknown land, determined to restore balance to the northern lights. As they traveled, the lights guided their path, growing stronger as they neared their destination. The group reached a vast, frozen sea that stretched as far as the eye could see. The ice was thick and treacherous, and they had to cross it to reach the heart of the northern lights. Elsa used her magic to create a safe path, but the journey was fraught with challenges as the ice shifted and cracked beneath them. As they crossed the frozen sea, they encountered a massive ice guardian. The guardian challenged Elsa to a duel, testing her control over her powers. With Anna's encouragement, Elsa used her magic to calm the creature, proving her worthiness to continue. Beyond the frozen sea, they found the entrance to a cave that resonated with the sound of the northern lights. Inside, the walls shimmered with every color of the aurora, and their voices echoed with strange distortions. The cave seemed alive, testing their resolve with illusions and tricks. Deep within the cave, they stumbled upon a lost city, frozen in time. The city was abandoned, but its structures were grand and majestic. Elsa and Anna realized that this city once thrived under the northern lights' power, but something caused it to fall into ruin. In the center of the city, they found a glowing crystal, the heart of the northern lights. However, the crystal was cracked, and its energy was unstable, causing the lights to flicker. The sisters knew they must repair the crystal to restore balance. To repair the crystal, Elsa and Anna had to face a final test. The crystal's energy manifested into a shadowy figure that embodied their deepest fears. Elsa confronted her fear of losing control of her powers, while Anna faced her fear of losing her sister. Together, they overcame these fears, strengthening their bond. With their fears conquered, Elsa used her magic to mend the crystal. As the cracks sealed, the northern lights returned to their full, brilliant glory, illuminating the sky with vibrant colors.